everyone, it's John Link at Apache Village RV Center in Wentzville, Missouri, once again showing you something new that we have coming through the dealership. So we've done a few videos on the new Eagle lineup. This is a 2026 335 LSTS, not to be confused with the old 335 RDOK. They've made some changes here, so we don't walk in and have a breakfast bar. This new 335 is going to have a rear den floor plan. I'm just going to focus on this really quick to give you a look at the interior. But you have your kitchen right here, the big old farmhouse sink. Still has the same table as the other Eagles and the North Point Pinnacle that pulls out, spring-loaded table. But then you have this beautiful rear den, back here with a tri-fold couch and then two recliners, and then another recliner right here in front of the couch, or in front of the TV rather. Tripping over my words today. But this is a really neat floor plan, guys, and this is the first one we've gotten in stock. This TV is massive. I'm assuming that's a 65-inch just looking at it. And then you have this entire wall of cabinetry here with a giant fireplace underneath it. You have your ceiling fan in the living room. Big windows on both sides. And then tons of countertop space in the kitchen. That pantry back there, I assume has the motion sensor light in it. Yes, it does. Fully adjustable shelves. You can make this however you want it. I always joke around about this cabinet up here. Throw whatever you want to forget about up here because you can't reach unless you have a footstool. Then a little coat rack right when you walk in the wall next to your BM Pro touchscreen. Bathroom, very similar to the other Eagles. Nice medicine cabinet, big shower enclosure. All these Eagles are always equipped with two Whisper Quiet air conditioners. This one here has a Olympic queen bed, it looks like, which is 66 inches wide, slightly wider than a standard queen. And then most of our Eagles now have this up front, which is right out of our North Point lineup. It's really nice having all this cabinetry and storage up front in the coach. You're very organized with how you pack your vehicle with all of your clothes for your trip. Even has a little dirty clothes hamper right here. All full extension drawers. Latch that shut. And then instead of having the washer dryer on washer over here and dryer over here in the previous Eagles, we can now put a stackable unit and actually stack it in this closet right here. Nice big closet. Let's go ahead and close this off. More full extension drawers. So this is the new 335. Brand new here at Apache Village RV Center. This unit will be going to the show, I assume, which is September 5th, 6th, and 7th at the Family Arena. Come take a look at the 335 LSTS Eagle. Beautiful, beautiful fifth wheel. And we will be down there. The hours are starting at 10 a.m. through 7 a.m. on Saturday, or Friday and Saturday rather, and then Sunday it closes at 5 but opens at 10 as well. So come by and see us. We are the third display on the left at the RV show. We're going to have special deals on literally every camper there. Our low price leaders will definitely be leading the way. The 321 RSTS, the 28 CRT, a couple of little J-Fly travel trailers like the 250 BH, the 261 BHS. And then this new floor plan right here, the 335 LSTS. Literally just showed up a couple minutes ago here at Apache Village RV Center. So go one better, go Apache Village. If you have any comments or questions, ask below. Myself or Dustin will respond to you right away. Go one better, go Apache Village. Like I said, we would love to earn your business. We will see you at the RV show this weekend. Thank you.